So when Apple released iOS 15, there were a lot of features Apple announced actually, and a lot which were not announced too. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you the drag and drop feature, which was not really announced when Apple released iOS 15, but with time, as I've been using this OS for a little while, there's been a lot of digging and more features are popping up, which I'm going to be sharing with you as time goes on this channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video, share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So what you need to know with this drag and drop feature is very cool. And first of all, probably maybe if you open your Safari and maybe you are on a page where maybe you want to copy this script right here, you can just tap on it like this, and then you just highlight whatever you feel like you want to copy. And when you just tap on it, instead of you just tapping on copy right here, you can just press hold on this, and then you drag and you just press your home button. If you are using the phone without TouchID right here, you can just swipe up to just come to your home, and then you come to your notes and probably open a new note right here. So when you open a new note, you can just drop whatever you just copied right here and you're gonna get it. So you can see blast past fast, and when you go to your Safari, you're gonna see blast past fast. And this is very cool. This is one of the features I think Apple has really made it very cool to us. And you can even copy pictures you feel like you want to copy. You can just hold them and then drag them to your folders right here. So let's say maybe I just want to copy this page and I feel like I want to screenshot this page right here. So in case I just screenshot like this, and then I want to just copy this screenshot right away, I can just hold like this, and then I press my home button like this, and I can just bring it here and then paste this right here. And basically that is very cool. So you're still gonna have your notes right here, and you're gonna still have your picture right here which you inserted, and that is sweet. Like instead of you going to your photos right here and then trying to insert anything, you can just insert right away from here, and that is basically very cool. One of the coolest thing I like about this drag and drop tool is still with screenshots. When you screenshot a picture like this, and then you just hold on it like this, and then you drag and you probably open your photos. You can put it in any folder you feel like you want to put them. Let's say I want to put it in this Snapchat folder, I can put it right here, and then basically it's gonna pop up right here. That is basically very cool. So this is one of the coolest things. Instead of it popping up in screenshots, because I felt like I want to drop it anywhere I feel like I want to drop it, I was able to just drop it right here in this folder, and that is basically very cool. So this drag and drop feature is really commanding. You can just copy a lot of scripts right here. Maybe you want to copy some article or something, instead of you just trying to tap on this and then press hold and then whatever, you just tap on the script like this, and then you highlight everything, and then you just copy them right away, and then you are good to go. So this is very cool. You can see right here, you can just copy it, and then you come to your home button, and then you just scroll up, and then you're good to go. You're gonna copy whatever you feel like you want to copy. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up, because I have a lot I'm going to be sharing with you, and I have a lot of iPhone videos right here in this folder. So if you feel like you want to watch more, you can just click on it and then watch more, and that is even going to help you more. So if this video was very helpful, just subscribe to the channel, and then let's make a date for the next video. Peace.